Good afternoon student. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 13 Python and CSV file. What is the lesson? Python and CSV file. So Python has first library of the modules that are included with it is the distribution. So you want to language, you want to modify in the easy, want to understand, they created another one new language is the Python. One among the model is the CSV model, which gives the Python program the ability to the pose of CSV means comma separated values. What is the comma separated values? What is the expression of CSV? Comma separated values. A CSV file is the human, is the readable text file where each line has the number of the field. So you have easily read about the human being. So each line have the another number of field separated using the by commas or some other delimiter. You can assume each link of the row and each field of the column. They connected with the link connected with the each row and column. So the CSV model will be able to read and write the vast majority of the CSV file. What's the difference between the MS Excel and CSV? This is another CSV and Excel file format. So the difference between CSV means comma separated values and Excel sheet means Excel is the file is the MS Excel. So Excel is the binary file that holds information about all the worksheet in a file including both content and formatting. What is the content and but CSV format is the plain for text format within a text series of the values separated by the commas. Excel files can be only read by the application that can be especially written to read their format and can only be written in the same way only. But CSV file open with any text editor, so like that Notepad, MS Excel, OpenOffice. So listen, but Excel file you have opened that's Excel application only, but the CSV have opened with any text editor including Notepad, MS Excel and OpenOffice etc. Excel is the spreadsheet. Save the files into own proprietary format in via Excels or XLS. But CSV format for saving tabular information into the delimited text file and with the extension of what is the extension C.CSV. Excel consume more memory while importing the data. Here is the importing CSV file can be much faster and also they have allowed to less memory, consume the less memory. So files saved in the Excel cannot be opened or edited by the text any by editor. What is the purpose of the CSV file? CSV is the simple file format used to store tabular data such as what is the format? Spreadsheet or database. Since they are plain text, they are easily to import into any format, spreadsheet or any other storage database. Keep your mind. So the CSV file you have imported any format, spreadsheet or any storage database regardless specific software you are using. You can open CSV file in the spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or text editor or through the database, which make them easier to able to read to anybody. The CSV file cannot be stored charts or graph. It can store data but does not contain formatting formula and macros. CSV file cannot store charts and graphs, but it does not contain the formatting formulas and markers. A CSV file is also known the flat file. What is the name of it called? Flat file. File is in the CSV format can be imported to and exported from the program and stored table such as what is the format? Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice calculation. How can creating the CSV file using Notepad? A CSV file is the text file, so it can be created and edited using any text editor. Already I said any text editor you are able to open the CSV file, Notepad and any database. But more frequently CSV file is created by exporting in the spreadsheet or database in the program that created it. The creating the CSV normal file. To create the CSV file in the Notepad, first open the new file using file new or control N. What is the format? File new or control N. The enter the data you want to the file to contain, separating each the value in the comma and each row with a new line. For example, consider the following: topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, 1, 2, 3, example 1, example 2, Save the content in the file in the extension. What is the extension of the CSV? .csv. You can then open same using Microsoft Excel or any other spreadsheet program. Here we have opened using Microsoft. It will be create the table data similar to the following. So topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. Here come up with that. But here will be open topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. And next is the 1, 2, 3. Each of the row and column they will be open. The above say you can observe the fields that there will be separated by the commas. But what happened, the data itself contain the comma in it is in the field data in your CSV file contain comma, but you can protect them by enclosing those fields in the double quotes. What is the you are using? Double quotes. So the comma that are part of your data will then be kept separate from the comma, which is the delimit of the field in themselves. So the CSV file we are creating separated of the comma. So but here will be showing the each of the separate part. Understood student? Thank you.